All right, the next one we're going to be taking a look at here is going to be stock ticker symbol BTCS, requested over here on YouTube. Right now, you are at 0024.0024. It looks like the last time we went through this one was going to be on the 25th. 0017 hold, waiting for buying pressure. So that was going to be on the 25th. And it looks like that might be starting to turn around, guys. What I'm going to be looking for right now, Sal, is for the 10-day simple moving average to break through. And that's basically what that buying pressure is going to come down to. Down here, if you start getting that buying pressure, the RSI, it's really set right now for that to start coming through, but it needs to hold this 30-day simple moving average. And it has since, which is good. So 0023, I would be looking for that to hold right here. And then basically you're going to be working between those two levels. I mean, I for these penny stocks, I always found that the 10, 20, and 30-day simple moving average really gave you a better, indicator. You got these, like I said, this rubber band right here that I told you. I mean, you don't see it that even ever for it to follow that perfectly, but it does. I mean, and it's like I said, the 10 days simple moving average really into it. So right now, I mean, the buying pressure, you start getting that buying pressure to come through here and knock down that 10-day simple moving average. I really think that you can get through the 20-day. And you've had a struggle with it back here. So you're basically now, as I like to say, this right here is going to dictate your price. Between that 0026, 0023, you break out of that channel. And it's possible because this one definitely looks like it reset off of each run. You've seen this back here, and you see it happen here again. So that is all I have to add. Joe, you want to take over?
I was just looking at this because I pulled up to see if there's any recent news, and there hasn't been any news from the company since like June 2016. And then so I went into their filings, and their latest was on January 6th. Let's see. Yeah, January 6th, 2007. It was a definitive 14C. So I pulled that up. I just want to see what was going on, and it was basically how they obtained written consent by the holder of the majority of the voting power of the company capital stock, approving an amendment to the charter to effect a reverse split in the ratio of 1-for-60, while maintaining the authorized common stock of 975 million shares. It says when is the record date? It was from December 20th. And let's see. I'm trying to see what day it was set for. All right, on the record date, there was 952,756,004 shares of common stock outstanding shares, 100 shares of outstanding super voting preferred stock. Each share of BTCS common stock represents one vote, and the preferred stock votes together with the common stock, but is entitled to vote a majority of the voting power with respect to the reverse split. We will not implement the reverse split without complying with the rules 10b-17 under the Securities Exchange Commission Act of 1934, which requires at least 10 days prior notice to the Financial Industry Regulatory Authority, FINRA. We intend to do so shortly on or about the time of the mailing of the information statement and will not affect the reverse split without FINRA approval. So, I mean, that's that. So they're up for a reverse split, or it was approved. It was approved by the board anyways. I'm just looking more into it right now. Well,
Okay,
it's nothing on the date or whatnot, so that's pretty much that.
Okay, so again, you guys keep that in mind. If you follow this one, all the stuff that Joe just went over is going to be available for you. All the information going forward, all the information, all the stuff that he talks about is going to be available to you over here on investorshangout.com/live is where you start to check out the live stream. And then just head over to the message boards. You'll see all these buttons here and it'll bring you to that section. So again, that is BTCS on watch 0023 0026. Right in that area will decide the move.